Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this video is basically going to be a followers pick my nail designs, and I did a poll on Instagram, and if you didn't see that, you must not be following me, and if you're not following me, sis, what are you doing? But anyways, you guys picked long coffin for the shape, so that's what we're going to be doing. And these nail tips are from Shein, so if you haven't seen my Shein haul, you should go watch that because part 2 is coming soon. So I'm going to start off by sizing my nails, and then I'm going to put them on the nail stand.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know.
Y'all, for the Shein nails, the pinkies, the number 9 does not fit my pinky. Like, it's way too big. So for that, I'm gonna be using these nail tips, and these are the BT Art Box nail tips. These are the nail tips that I started off with, and I'm gonna be using the size 9. Okay, so now all I'm doing is just filing off the tips, like with the extra plastic or whatever, and I'm gonna put a white sheet of paper under the nails so that you guys can see it clear. Okay, so now I'm just taking a paper towel and I'm just wiping off all the extra dust and getting the shine off the nails. Okay, so for the main colors of this design, you guys picked pink, blue, and white, and you guys chose marble over ombre. So right now I'm just placing my colors on my palette ring. I don't really remember what it's called, but I'm just placing my colors down so that I can marble it on the ring, and you guys will see me marble it in a second.
Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. Okay, so now that I have finished doing the marbling, I'm just gonna cure it for 60 seconds. And for my pinky, I'm just gonna paint it white.
and you guys will see that now.
Shit when Capo go to slide, 'cause I told him that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Okay, so now I'm gonna paint the thumb, and I'm painting the thumb blue.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
Okay, so now I'm taking my ring finger and I'm just gonna paint this one pink. And I'm also gonna paint my index finger pink. Okay guys, so I didn't show me curing this before I started my second coat, but I did cure it for 30 seconds.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. And I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Okay, so for this set, I am going to be using some rhinestones. These are also from my Shein haul, so you know, go watch it, sis. And I'm just going to do some rhinestones on a couple of the fingers.
You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so for my ring finger, I'm going to be using a 3D bear. And I'm going to apply it the same way. I'm going to put the poly gel on the back of the bear and on the nail. And then I'm just going to stick it on there and cure it. Okay, so now that all of the nails are done, I'm going to put them in the lamp to cure them for 60 seconds. Once all of my nails are cured, I'm going to be putting on my top coat. And the top coat that I like to use is the Beetles top coat. Okay guys, this is the finished product. They came out really good. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, let me know any other videos that you guys want to see. Bye.